Today is a very important day and a very happy day for the voters of Kerala. It is a celebration of our democracy. But equally importantly, this is an opportunity that is given to every voter every 5 years to decide what is the future of our state, what is the future of our children, what is the future of the lives of our Malayalis. So this is an important opportunity. I have said all along, this is one of the most decisive and historic elections in the history of Kerala's politics. I have no doubt that the people of Kerala today will decide that the future of Kerala has to be about development, has to be about equal opportunities for all Malayalis. And that is precisely the vision for the last several months the BJP and NDA has put forth in front of the people. And we are hopeful and very confident that the people of Kerala will steer Kerala in the right direction of development and growth. We are seeking an opportunity today to enter the assembly, all 140 BJP NDA candidates, not to jump on tables, not to create confusion, not to create melees and fights in the assembly as we have seen for the last 70 years. We are doing this. We are seeking an opportunity to enter the assembly to serve our people, to guide our state, to fight for our people's problems, and usher in a new vision of Viksit Kerala. That is why I request every Malayali today to join in the celebration of democracy, not be a bystander, not be a spectator, be an active participant. By voting today, please exercise your franchise. It is your duty as well as it is your fundamental right.
Does any chance for hung assembly in Kerala, sir?
I think there is a very strong chance that both the CPM and the Congress will not get a mandate, and therefore there is a very, very strong likelihood that the BJP and the NDA will play a decisive role, that the people of Kerala will give them a decisive role in Kerala's politics going forward.